I can't believe it.
They had guns, we signed a contract.
They were screwing us, Jian-Wa. They rub our face in the dung, and you just took it. You changed, man.
Look, there's a system here. You rise through hard work and good ideas. There's no one saying how far you can go. Look at the Italians, the Germans, the Jews, the Swedes, the Irish, the Poles, the Cubans.
Look at our face, John. Look at them! See these slanted little eyes? This yellow skin? We're not white, John. We're not gonna move up in the world because we play the game their way. If that's the dream they feed you, that's the big lie.
So you fight harder. You fight, and eventually you win. You win, or your children win, or your grandchildren win, but eventually you win.
I don't give a damn about my children and my grandchildren. All I care is about me. All I care about is now. And if gangsters run this country, then I'm gonna be a gangster.
Where you going?
You know damn well where I'm going. Don't do this, Jian-Wa. You're not my father. Get out of my way. Look at what you've done.
Who did it? Not me.
Whoa, man. You got it right. Whoa. Enough, Jian-Wa. Let me go. Please, Jian-Wa, let me go. If you stop me now, I'll be gone tomorrow.
You'll die. I've seen it.
Please, let me be who I am.